Yeah, here right outer join, right? I will write that one. Okay, so right outer join will not support before 7.4 version. Okay, you can use inner join, left outer join, and parallel entities concept. Okay, these three concepts you can use, but right outer join will not support. Sorry. And union. Okay, so union option is not available in Open SQL statements before 7.4 version. So we will discuss about these all things. Okay, these all are supported from 7.4 and 7.5 like that. Okay, so we will see how it will work in 7.4 like that. Okay, and some subqueries. Okay, subqueries. Subqueries means I'm writing something select query here. So in that select query, I have to write one more select query. Like I'm fetching something data, some sales information from VBAK or VBAP table. Okay, so select VBELN, Postner, Matner, something. Okay, at that time, I want to give something where condition, right? So in that where condition, I have to give something select options or parameters like that. So instead of writing the, the condition values by using parameters or select options, I have to write one more select query. Okay, I have to write one more select query. So where Matner is equal to, I'm writing something three materials. Okay, three materials I'm waiting here. But instead of that materials, I want to fetch those three materials by using the select query. Okay, so while writing the code, then you can understand this one. Okay, select query within select query. That is not possible before 7.4 version. Okay. And um, like some options like some days calculations. Okay, days calculations, these all are not possible. Days calculation means, so I have 2 days here. So how many days gap is there in between of those two dates? Okay, so that type of information we cannot write in the select query. Okay, we have to fetch the dates and we have to keep the data in the internal table, and by using the read statement or looping statement, we have to do the calculation. Okay, day 2 minus day 1, how many uh, days will come, or we will use the function module to calculate the days like that. Okay, so that is a way to do the uh, calculation number of days in between of 2 days. Okay, and Hana views. Okay, Hana views is nothing but CDS views. Okay, we should not spell it like Hana. Okay, so Hana views is different one. That is a different concept here. Yeah, someone is asking question. Yeah, Giri. Okay, so the CDS views will not work before 7.4 version. From 7.4 onwards, it will work here. Okay. Or this one also, AMDP, these all things also. Okay, so these all concepts will not work before 7.4 version. Okay, now if you want to work on HANA, then you have to install that NetViewer minimum 7. Greater than 7.4. Okay, so something patches will be there. The basis guys will do those things. Okay, Fine. Fine. See, come to the Open SQL statements in 7.4 version onwards. So here SAP is providing some inline declarations. Okay, inline declarations means, so we are, if you want to fetch something data, then we have to declare something internal tables or work areas or variables like that we have to declare. So after that one only we have to fill the data in those internal tables, work areas or variables. Okay, but from 7.4 onwards SAP is telling like not required to declare anything directly, you can write the code. Okay, so those things are inline declarations. Okay, without any declaration we are writing something code here, that is the inline declaration concept. Okay, so after that one, the Open SQL statements. Okay, both in Open SQL statements only I will apply the inline declarations. Fine. So we are writing something, a program, right? So you can use this ADT as well as SAP GUI both, right? I will go to SAP GUI initially. I will create something program here. So I'm starting Open SQL statements. Okay, so I mean the code push down techniques. The code push down techniques, Open SQL statements is the first place, right? So I am discussing about this one. So something I'm creating here, JAOH2 test2. Click on create button. So I have created one package for that one, JHJF, and I'm creating something tier here. Okay, now I want to declare something material. Okay, so data LV Mathner. Okay, type. If you know the data element, you can directly declare that one. Otherwise, by using the table name hyphen field name like that, also you can declare MARA hyphen Mathner. I am declaring here. Okay. Now, if you want to fill this information, then how can you fill this one? LV Mathner. Manually, I am filling this one. 1, 2, 3 something something information like that. I am declaring it here. Okay. Now, what is the data type and length for this one? Anyone? Anyone can give answer?
What is sir? What is
I think 18 Satish.
18 and 40. Two options are there, right? Fine. Actually, here one more thing is there. Char 40 will come here. Okay. Why it is char 40? Just open the table here, MARA table, double clicking on MARA table here, and see, this is the Mathner. For the Mathner, it is containing 40 characters. Okay, 40 characters. Same thing, I will open ECC system. This is the HANA system, right? I will open ECC. MARA table and click on display button, and here if you see Mathner is the character 18. Okay, in ECC the data element, the size they have increased. Okay, in ECC 18 characters is there, and coming to the HANA 40 characters is there. Okay, so they have increased some size for the material number in the HANA system. Okay, so you just get to know this one. Not all fields they have changed. Okay, not all fields they have changed. From the material related tables, they have changed the length for material only. Remaining fields are the same. They did not touch anything. Okay, and account related something they have modified one more data element. I will check that one and I will let you know whenever I mean that concept will come. Then I will let you know. Okay, as of now, this is a character party, right? Fine. Now, SAP is telling not required to declare it here. Okay, not required to declare it here. Directly you can use it here. Now I will apply here something data. Okay, directly I'm passing something value to the variable. So for that one, I'm applying something data here. Data of mat now, LV mat now. Okay, let me save it. Okay. Yeah. Now check the syntax here. Guys, 1 minute. Oh, sorry guys. Now the system it is activated the program. There is no errors. Now just tell me what is the data type and length here. Anyone? Anyone can guess?
4.
Okay, 4. Okay, fine. Any other guys? Yeah, this is a character 4 only. Character 4 only. How can you tell this is a character 4 only like that? Okay, I will keep the breakpoint here. Okay, let me check how it will come here. Click an execute button. LV matter is there, just double click on it. So if you double click on this LV matter, so you can see here something character 4. Okay, character 4. Fine. Click on back button and double click on this LV underscore price. So double click on it. How it is coming? Character of 5 is coming here because the single quotation 120 it is taking 3 characters and for dot it is taking one more character, for 2 one more taking one more character, total 5 characters is there. So it is capturing here character 5 here, but my requirement is here material is coming. Material actually it is containing 40 characters in the MA array table, but here it is allowing only, I mean it is showing only 4 characters because I am writing here 4 characters 1222. So it is system is considering like 4 characters, but I want to consider it as the 40 characters. Okay, even though if it is 40 characters I will write only 4 characters. That's possible, right? Now I will apply like this. Okay, I will apply like this. New. Okay, the data element is the matter. Okay? Data element is the matter. Now check is there any syntax error? Activate. So while using these enhanced open SQL statements, at that time we have to consider something. Here space is coming, right? So if you remove the space like this, it will throw some errors. Okay, you have to be careful in these spaces. Okay, something bracket I'm opening here and directly I'm writing the code here. Now if you check this one, it will throw some errors. Not throwing. Okay, fine. Let me check that one. Okay, it's not showing any errors here. Let me execute this one. But we have to be careful here. Okay, sometimes it will throw errors. Where it will throw errors and where it is not throwing errors, we have to consider those things. Just execute it here. Now LV matter, double click on it. Now LV matter, double click on it. It is not showing anything directly here. Now double click on this one. Now you can see character 40 it is coming here. Okay, character 40. So even though if it is containing 40 characters, I'm writing only 4 characters, but it is containing 40 characters. Okay, same thing if you want to apply, this is the character, right? But I don't want to consider it as the character data type. I want to consider it as the something currency. Something currency. Activate it here. Execute it here. Sorry. Okay, LV and square price is coming here, and double click on it here, and here directly it is not coming the data type and length. Just so double click here, not coming. Fine. Let me do one thing. I will activate it, and now you can see that one. Okay, this is activated, and click on execute button. Now LV and square price, click on F5 button. Value filled here. Okay, the value filled here. Now the data type and length is not coming here directly. Just double click on it here. Now you can see here packed decimal. Okay, so 8 is the 8 numbers it will allow, and after that one 2 digits it will allow. Okay, so this is the way to declare the instead of declaring the variable directly, we can pass the value to this variable. Okay, fine. Now I want to declare, I want to fill something data in work area. Okay, so for that one, what I will do, so I will declare on work area here data, work area MARA, type MARA. I'm not declaring any types, and by using the types, I'm not declaring anything directly. I'm just for understanding, I am telling this one. Okay, so just I'm declaring one work area here. So select mat now, MTART, METKL from MARA into table, sorry, into work area MARA, or we can write here select star, because I'm not declaring any structure here, right? So select star is the correct one because it is containing all the fields from MARA table. Okay, and fine. I will write here single record, right? Select single. Okay. Select single star from MARA into work area MARA. Let me check this one. Save it and check it and display something data from work area MARA. Just I'm displaying single matter here. Fine. And now we have to execute it here. So material number something is coming here. Okay, something something is coming here. Okay, because of select single record, we have to declare one work area. So after that one, we have to write the select query here. Without a declaration. Okay, I don't want to declare anything. So declare the types, and by using the type, declare the work area. These all things I'm not doing anything here. just select single star from MARA into. After that one, I am writing here data. Okay, data of MARA. Now system will consider like, so data of MARA. This is a new structure here, new work area here. Okay, new work area here. At the time of, at the runtime, it is creating. Okay, at runtime, system is creating this work area. Just activate it. Okay, fine. Here we need to provide some @ symbol because this is a local work area and we are not declaring anything here. Directly we are writing here. Okay, by using this @ system will declare this work area and it will create it. The data will store in this work area directly here. Okay, this is the local symbol. Escape symbol we will call it. @ symbol we will call it the escape. Okay, now let's check this one. Activate it. Execute it here. Okay, same thing. Now I want to fetch something data in the internal table. Okay, so I will declare something types here. Okay, now I will write the fields here. Select matno matkl mtot from MARA into table. ITMARA. Okay, loopert. Now save it, check it, activate it. This is a normal. You already know about this one. How to write this one? You already know this one. Just I am executing it here. So it will display all the materials here. Okay. So but without declaration. So these all things I don't want here. Okay. I don't want these all things. Just keep it in comment and remove these things. Then you can. Okay. I'm keeping the declaration part in the comment here and activating it here. So something showing something errors here. Let me check this one. Okay, so if you are fetching something data directly without declaration part, then we have to apply @ data of, because there is a new internal table, right? New internal table, fine. And internal table is declared at the runtime, and this is okay. ITMARA will work here because already declared here. Okay, and work area MARA. So here also this work area is the new one, right? I will write the data here. Okay, if you write the data at that time, it will declare. And one more thing, so if we are using some latest syntax here, right? So we need to keep it here comma. Okay, so fields are there. How many fields are there? So we need to separate the fields by using comma here. Okay, you need to consider this one, otherwise it will throw error. Let me check that one also. So matner matkl and mtrt something, save it and check it here. It will throw some errors here. Okay, let me give the comma here, mat now, matkl and mtot. Okay, now activate it. Okay, it is not showing any errors, right? Now execute it here. Fine, the data is coming fine, right? So it will apply from 7.4 onwards. Okay, so it will apply, the syntax will apply from 7.4 onwards. Now my requirement is I want to get to know, okay, this mtrt I'm not giving here. So I just know only two character two characters empty only. Okay, the full name I am not striking here. So I want to get know that field name here. Okay, so if you how can we find out that one? So we have to go to MARA table and we have to search for that field, right? So same thing, what I will do. Okay, from 7.5. So the 7.4 and 7.5, these are the versions only. Okay, so SAP will give some versions. Okay, so for 3 months, for every 3 months or 6 months, SAP will release one new thing, new concept. So that new thing they will give by using version here. Okay, if you are using something mobile phone, so they will give some updates up. Okay, so you have to update the software. So for every 6 months like that, they will give some pop-ups, some notifications. By clicking on that notification, that Android software will update here, means some more features will come here. Some more features will come. The same way here also, SAP is providing some features. Okay, for every 6 months or every 3 months like that, they will give some features. So so from 7.4 I mean in 7.4 version they have introduced this concept here. So without declaration we can uh, fetch the data. Okay, so from 7.5 they have given one more feature here. So before 7.4 version, if you want to fetch, if you want to take any field name, then we have to go to the table and we have to search for that field and we have to copy and paste here. But coming to the 7.5, not required to go to any 7.5 version. Sorry, not required to go to any table. I am writing, I mean, slightly I'm changing the code here. Okay. Fine. Select, I have written from. Okay. Previously, I have written like select field name directly. But here how I'm writing select from. Okay. Select from table name we have to write here. And from this table, what are the fields we have to select? Okay, I want to select something empty, RT, one more field here, empty. I don't know something remaining name. Click on Control Space button. Okay, it will display the names here like this. Empty RT. And you can ask one more question like it will come when it will come. So we are declaring something types here, and by using the type, I'm declaring something internal table work area like that. At that time, it may come sometimes. Okay, I did not check that one. Okay, I am telling like directly. Okay, so without declaration I am writing the select query here. At that time, if you want to uh, select something field from the table, then we have to go to the table level, copy pasting, these are things we have to do. Okay, by using this syntax, select from table and fields, field names into table, then automatically it will come here. Okay, so I am not giving anything here, just I have clicked on Control Space button. It is showing a lot of fields here. Okay, you can select the field from that table. Fine, I don't want this comma here. So for the last field, not required to give any comma. Okay, now activate it and execute it here. Okay, data is coming here. Fine. Now my requirement is I want to display something customer number, sorry, material number, this one. Okay, now click on back button and here I'm giving something where condition, where Matner is equal to, provide this one. Okay, but it is showing something red symbol here. Okay, so click on check button here. So it is showing something where is not allowed here. Okay, where is not allowed here. So if you are applying the code like this, I mean select from table name and fields like that, if you are using, then you have to keep the where condition before the internal table name. Okay, keep it in mind. Okay, so this is a slight difference here. Okay. So before internal table name, we have to give the where condition. Now click on check it here and click on activate and execute it here. Data is not coming. Click on back button and this one also. Now check it once. Activate and execute. Not coming. 1 minute. I will go to MA table and I will take something material number. So instead of this one, I am pasting it here like this. Let me check it and activate it and execute it. Give the breakpoint here and click on execute button. And let me check, click on F5 button. ITMARA, it is containing 0 records. Why it is coming like that? Okay, let me check the where condition. Otherwise, I will give something. No. Yeah, someone is saying something. Where Mathner is equal to this one. Right, I will keep it in comment and I will execute it here. Then let me check the data is coming or not. For that one, I am checking here. Execute it here. Fine. ITMARA, no records are coming. Why?
Put matter value in single quotes.
Sorry? Single
Matter
quotes,
value
right?
in single quotes. Yes.
Okay, let me check that way also. Fine. Click on execute button. Oh, fine. Testing pathway is coming. Fine. Now, same thing I will apply in this syntax also. I will keep it in single quotation. Okay. Now, click on activate button. Click on execute it here. Now click on F5 button. So ITMARA. So one record is coming. Fine. Okay. So fine. Actually, we will give something parameters or some select options by using something input. Then we will give the data like this. Okay. Here manually I did not check. So fine. We have to give some in single quotation. Then it's working fine. Fine. In this way, we can write a select query. Okay. So without any declaration, we can what? Yeah. Without any declaration, we can write a select queries. Okay. Fine. And anyone have doubts up to here? Any doubts? Any questions? No. Fine. Fine. Anyone just tell me what is the difference between SAP GUI and ADT? Anyone? Difference between SAP GUI and ADT?
So in SAP GUI, we can create our reports program, but in GUI, we can create CDS view and AMDP, which we can create in ADT.
Yeah. Yeah, in SAP GUI we can create programs, classes, these all things, but CDS views and AMDP, these all things we cannot create directly. So we will create it through ADT. Okay, so you can create it in ADT, but you can open it in SAP GUI. Open is okay, but creating, changing, these all things are not allowing in SAP GUI. Just for displaying purpose, we can do that one, but not for edit and create. Fine. So just tell me any advantages by using ADT. Any other guy? What are the advantages?
Main advantage is all transactions. No need to
Yeah. Tomorrow I will show this one. How Hana Studio is opening like that. I will show it tomorrow. Okay. If you have any doubt, then please ping me. Okay. Then bye. Jai Hind.